Ever feel like your leads are ghosting you? You're posting, emailing, even running ads, and still nothing? Yeah, we've all been there. Here's the thing, your prospects are already online, snooping around, doing their homework, long before you even say hi. If you're not showing up where they're looking, you're basically invisible. That's where inbound marketing comes in. Instead of chasing people, you pull them in. Blogs, guides, LinkedIn posts, landing pages, all of it builds trust and shows that you actually know your stuff. So stop downloading those lead gen guides. Drive real growth with hands-on inbound marketing strategy and presentations that make clients say, wow. That's the difference with Max Media Academy, founded by the CEO of famous digital media, Maxine Bolt. Workshops, talks, team trainings, consultations, covering topics like social media, Google, AI automation, and content optimization. We help leaders and teams amplify their brands online, all designed to help South African businesses master B2B digital marketing, lead generation strategies, and the art of presentations. Basically, we equip your business to level up, operate with confidence, and become impossible to ignore. Book your session at Max Media Academy today. Feed your pipeline with leads that find you.